Dr. Regina C. Hamlin has been a dermatologist for more than 30 years. She is a clinical professor of medicine for the University of California, San Francisco, Fresno. She is chief of dermatology for 4 major hospitals and has been the chief of dermatology at the VA hospital since 1986. She has a private practice in Fresno and a separate office that researches new products before FDA approval.
The skin is the largest organ, needs to be really protected. We are seeing an incredible increase in skin cancer, and because of our environment and the toxic pollutions, it is so necessary that we protect our skin as much as we protect the inside of our bodies. It's very comforting, actually. Somebody who knows something about the inside nutrition of the body is now actually looking to what I consider the largest organ in the body, the skin. The skin actually is part of the organ system. It's not just the wrap around it, and it actually functions to keep you healthy also, and we need to do as much with it as we do with our inside organs too. We have, as dermatologists, access to any product line on the market, and as you know, there are many of them. But we have decided that Sensei is so good, so reliable, and so well accepted that we have decided that this is our first line and we love it. Having access to a product line that does not have chemical preservatives is important. Individuals place up to 12 different things on their body every day, all of which have very specific preservatives in them. If you looked at each one of those, you probably wouldn't want to eat them for sure, and putting them on your face is not much better. There is no long-term data on these preservatives, mainly because we had nothing else to use, but now we do. DSR technology, dermal surface renewal, is really epidermal/dermal surface renewal. The epidermis is what you see, and so the epidermis gets better. It gets smoother, the rough patches go away, the discoloration gets better, you're protecting it. But as important is what's going on in the dermis, where the structures are actually being challenged and renewed so that the whole skin structure appears better. Matrix metalloproteinases are proteins that actually degrade skin and the structures of the skin in the body. We would like to inhibit that, therefore inhibit the signs of aging, and that's what these products can do. The key word is regenerate, and that's what we're trying to do. The body has its own natural ways to do that when it has been hurt by the sun. But some amount of sun exposure is unavoidable. And so to try to repair that, we are using regenosomes, which is a natural enzymes that amplify the body's ability to its natural processes. They speed cell renewal in sun-damaged skin. The regenosomes are divided into 2 different parts, the photosome and the ultrasome. The some part means an enzyme. The photosome works during the daytime. It's actually a band-aid. It tries to repair some of the damage the skin has already been had from the sun. Where the ultrasome works at night when the skin is really working, and it works as a more complete and elegant renewal system. It occurs in the night renewal and in the eye inertia, giving USANA and Sensei the only 24-hour skin system. We all know the importance of vitamin C for the body, and whole grape extract and green teas are good too. The Sensei product actually incorporates there into the skincare line for environmental protectors. We have toxins, we have pollutions, we have sun exposure, and we have free radicals in our skin just like we have in our body. So the incorporation of the Proteose C and the Proflavanol T are important for the skin care. We've come so far with these products. It really is going into a more holistic approach to both skin care and actually even the vitamins and supplements that we're taking. This is becoming a very well-rounded regime for someone to maintain their skin and their health at the same time. I've seen some wonderful results in my patients. I see decreased wrinkling and fine line decrease, and moisture content of the skin appears better, the look of the skin is better, much more youthful, and what's more important, the patient's seen it too. I myself use these products, and as I said before, I have access to all the products on the market. I'm happy with them, and I plan to stay with them. They're easy to use, they're moderately priced, and I think they, in essence, have every active ingredient that anything on the market has, and nothing is better.